ازيكم. How to use map and filter and Lambda functions together in Python program. Please subscribe to reach every important videos we upload, and please like if you like the video and share it with your colleagues. Let's go. This also. Here we will use map with Lambda. Map with Lambda. So the if you here and the Lambda instead of the function. شوف Lambda is a function. We create a function here is Lambda. Very simple. Map Lambda and here scores. This is the list. Okay, or the iterable. Here also we have filters. You can list filter Lambda name, len name equal this one. So complete code filter out values from the prices list that are less than 90. So we have filter Lambda price where price less than 90 will prices, which is list of prices. Okay, match the definitions